Hey guys, so this is me Ramesh, and today I'll be talking about one of the most important topic and one of the most important interview questions for the API testing. So how we are integrating the Postman collection to the Jenkins? Okay, so these are the steps are given in Notepad. So if you follow these steps, you can easily integrate your Postman collection to the Jenkins shop. So we'll see practically one by one. So anyway, in the previous session, we have already seen that download the Node.js, download and install the Node.js in your machine, in your local machine, and also set the environment variables. Okay, and after that you have to create a collections. We already create the collections in the previous session, right? Okay, this is my Postman collection. Okay, and after that you have to export this Postman collection to the JSON file. Okay, so how to do that? Go back here, go to the three dots. Okay, export here, and I'm going to create a new folder in my C drive, like Postman. Open this Postman, and I'm giving mm, dot JSON file. Okay, I created in the folder. Next one, create a new item in the Jenkins dashboard. That means new job in the Jenkins dashboard. We'll see that how to do that. So I have already created. I have already Jenkins is running up and running in my machine. So we'll see how to create a new job here in the Jenkins. So initially it will take some time. Perfect. Okay. So here is my dashboard. There are a list of jobs are there. Forget about these jobs. So I'm going to create a new job here, create a new item. Okay. And what is the job name I have provided in the notepad? I can take this, yeah, Postman underscore automation. Postman underscore, I can give API automation. Okay. Postman underscore API automation. I can do the same thing here. Yeah, perfect. Now go back here, Postman API automation. Select the freestyle project and click on OK button. Okay, so currently you can go and save it right now. Okay, I'm not configuring anything right now. So what I'll do, the next step is configure the Postman with proper data that I'll be configuring later, and add Node.js path in the global tools configuration. Okay, add Node.js path in the global tools configuration, and before that you have to install this Node.js from the manage plugins. Okay, how to do that? Go to the manage plugins. Go back here. Manage Jenkins. Sorry, not manage plugins. I'm sorry. Manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Right. So go to the manage plugins. Here is the manage plugins. Okay. I can give like manage plugins to manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins to manage plugins. Sorry. All right. Now, yeah. Here, go to available. Okay. Click on Node. Okay, Node.js. So I think nothing is there here because I already installed that Node.js in my machine. If you go and filter here, Node.js, see already there. The Node.js plugin is already there. Okay, so once it is installed, right? So go back here and you have to check in the Manage Jenkins global tool configuration. Click on this fellow. Scroll down slowly. You see in the bottom that is called Node.js installation. You see that? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so here I'm doing the install automatically. Okay, I'm giving a command npm install -g new man. Okay, for I'm just installing here, and yeah, just click on apply, save, and you have to give the name of the Node.js node underscore home. Then after, what is the next? Yeah, add pre-build actions in Jenkins job. Okay, so I'll go here, Jenkins. Where is my jobs? Yeah, Postman. Yeah, API automation configure here. And here, just scroll down here. I'm not taking the project from anywhere. I'm just running in the local machine right now. Yeah, this is the pre-build evaluations. This is the build evaluations. But before that, I have to set the, what is that, Node.js path here. See, there is a provide node and npm bin folder. Okay, you have to select this fellow. And here, node underscore home, that is automatically taken from the global tool configuration. And here you can no need to select anything here. Forget about these things. Okay, go to build action. So here you have to select the execute Windows batch commands. Okay, so here we can run. Okay, we can give the Postman collection with this command. Which command is that? Yeah, this is a command. Sorry, not this one. I think yeah. This is the one. Copy this fellow. Copy this fellow. Paste it. Okay. But okay, let's see that. Let's apply and save it, and we'll see build it. It will fail definitely. I know that, because that collection is not available in that particular location of the Jenkins job where it is downloading the projects. We'll see that. Go here, changes as output, and here this is the location of the Jenkins workspace of the Postman collection job. Copy this fellow, post here, go inside. So here you can copy and paste that particular, which one? The Postman collection. Where is the Postman collection here? The desktop, no, C drive, Postman collection, Postman, and here is my JSON file, Postman collection JSON file. You can paste here. Okay. Now you go back to the Jenkins and build it and see. Job is running. Perfect. Now you see this is a pass, right? Go back to the console output. You see that? See, these are the list of items, list of requests that I have executed. You see that? Get list of users, and these are the assertions I have added here. Post, create a new user. These are the list of assertions I have added here, and this is the registration successful and login successful. Okay, all these are here. Okay, so this is the way to integrate your Postman collection to the Jenkins job. Okay, I think you like this video. Please subscribe it and share it. Thank you so much.